I hate to do this, but I'm canceling the Wavy Seals Elite. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Wavy Wayne from Wayne.wav, and if you don't know yet, this channel is all about helping you to record and mix better and faster. So, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn on the notification bell, hit that share button, and share with your friends all this awesome knowledge that you are learning right here on my channel. So, let's just go ahead and get down to the topic, man. I am canceling my membership group, the Wavy Seals Elite. It has been a great run over the last year, but some things need to change, right? The group just wasn't running how I wanted to. I don't feel like everybody was getting the value that I really wanted to bring to the Wavy Seals Elite. And that's why I'm changing it. We were hosting it primarily on Facebook, and Facebook has all of these different rules and stipulations and limitations that you can do. And it just became a cumbersome task to run the Wavy Seals Elite in a way that I thought was deserving of all my Wavy Seals Elite members. So big shout out to everybody who's joined me, the nearly 200 people who have joined the Wavy Seals Elite in the past year. I just want to say thank y'all, and yeah, it's coming to an end as we know it, because something new and better is on the horizon, man. That's right, Wavy Seals Elite 2.0 is being birthed right now as we speak, man. Like, is the new site, the new plan is all ready to go. Let's run this back and just discuss what is the Wavy Seals Elite and how it is going to help you on your journey. First of all, the Wavy Seals Elite is a membership group. Before, it was just a simply monthly membership group, but we've changed some things, and now there's going to be an annual package available. So there'll be two tiers. The benefit of being an annual member to the Wavy Seals Elite is that you get access to all of the archived content that we've created in the past year specifically for the Wavy Seals Elite, and each month going forward, all of the new content that we continue to create, again exclusively for the Wavy Seals Elite, will be only available to those annual members. The month-to-month members will get a whole lot of value as well, but they just won't have access to some of the archived content, and they don't get to take advantage of that huge savings that you get by being an annual member. As a member of the Wavy Seals Elite, whether you're on the annual membership or the month-to-month membership, you're gonna get access to our expert masterclasses, where industry professionals from all different walks of the industry will come to share their knowledge with us, our exclusive group, just the Wavy Seals Elite. We'll also host weekly live Q&A sessions to answer any questions that you might be having about a production you're working on or a mix that you just can't quite get right. We'll have our experts and our community there to help you through every single week through those troubles. And you just can't grow without critiques. So a huge component to the Wavy Seals Elite is reviewing your recordings and mixes. There's an easy way for you to submit your mixes to be reviewed by our professionals, me and Adam Long. We will take a listen to your mix and give a detailed, personalized, and actionable response on what you can do to improve your mix, or if it's good, we'll let you know that too. You also get access to our exclusive members only giveaways, contests, and practice multi-track sessions, and a whole bunch of other resources that I've collected throughout my career that I'll be sharing with you. So whether you decide to become a monthly member or an annual member of the Wavy Seals Elite, you'll be getting way more value than the cost of admission, all right? So check out all the details in the description below, and I'll see you on the other side of the Wavy Seals Elite wall. Y'all be dope.